beautiful day. We're just getting ready to start this beautiful project. We're painting outside of the house here, replacing the rotten wood, caulking, and all of the important stuff, both the front and the back. And my man over there, Rogelio, is already getting it started. We're gonna power wash the project right now, and then we're gonna replace that front entry door. So stay tuned and see the rest of the work coming. Door is installed, painted, screen door installed, all of the accessories and all of that beautiful stuff is all good to go. And as you guys can see, this all looks nice and beautiful. My guy's all done, cleaned. Get the stuff right here. The house is painted, all perfect, and we got the thumbs up.